Wave energy.
By Ryan Fogarty and Mark Conley. So Mark, what is wave energy?
Wave energy is an irregular and oscillating low-frequency energy source that can be converted to a 60 hertz frequency. The energy in waves comes from the movement of the ocean and the changing heights and speed of the swells. What is the history of wave energy?
Well, the first wave power patent was for a 1799 proposal by Monsieur Gerard Enet and his son in Paris, France, to use direct mechanical action to drive pumps, saws, mills, or other heavy machinery. Then, wave energy became more of a focus in the 1970s during the oil crisis. Scientists looked for an alternative energy source, and wave energy was born. Mark, how does wave energy work?
There are three main types of using wave energy. Energy can be converted directly from the turbine's electrical generator to an electrical power plant. The first kind is floats, buoys, or pitching devices to generate electricity using rise and fall of ocean swells to drive hydraulic pumps. Oscillating water columns devices to generate electricity at the shore using rise and fall of water with cylindrical draft.
And a tapered channel or overtopping device that can be located either on or offshore. Tell me about the oscillating water column, one of the best developed systems.
This system is partially submerged in the open sea. It has a hollow center, which the air inside the air column is compressed and expanded due to the oscillating water level resulting from the waves. The well's turbine rotates in the same way indecent to the direction of airflow, therefore allowing the alternate pressure in the air column to spin the turbine, which is connected to the generator.
Wow.
Who are some of the current users of wave energy?
Well, there's the Scottish company. Aquamarine Power is harnessing wave technologies in the Isle of Ede using its wave energy device known as Neptune. The United States plans to set its first wave energy power plant in Reedsport, Oregon this upcoming year. It will generate power for several hundred homes in Oregon. Agucadora is the first offshore wave energy power plant in Portugal. It provides power for 1,500 homes and has 3 wave energy converters that produce a total of 2.25 megawatts. Mark, tell me about Agucadora's wave turbine.
This machine is called the Pelamis machine. It's made up of connected sections which flex and bend relative to one another as waves run along the structure. This motion is resisted by hydraulic rams which pump high-pressure oil through hydraulic motors, which in turn drive electrical generators.
Mark, please tell me about the advantages of wave energy.
Well, it's renewable. Waves crash 24/7 on beaches all around the world, which is the reason why it's abundant and widely available, and there are a variety of ways to harness it. As mentioned earlier, it's easy to predict using the wind patterns in most locations, and there's less dependency on foreign oil. What are the drawbacks of wave energy, Ryan?
Well, it's only suitable to certain locations because not all places have waves. It's very clean, but the large machines pose hazards from some of the underwater creatures, like dolphins and seals. It changes
habitat of near-shore creatures, and it must be placed near cities and other populated areas.
Therefore, it poses disturbances for vessels and tourism. There's a few more drawbacks. Some areas experience unreliable wave behavior. The machines must be able to stand rough weather, and the machines make noise and are not very pretty. Some venture to say it destroys the beauty and appeal of the ocean. Is wave energy feasible?
It's a very new source, so speculating on cost is hard. As of now, costs are very high, as with most things in the beginning. We don't know the lifespan of these machines. Maintenance and replacement are still unpredictable. Underwater means it's hard to work with, and it's expensive.
So right now, there's a few places in the U.S. working on it. There's Newport, Oregon, which is the first in the United States. It's being worked on by Oregon State and Washington, and they have 1 square mile of size to work with. And then the state of California is one of the biggest advocates. There's 3 current permits for implementation. It has a huge coastal area, so there's a big opportunity for wave energy.
Thank you.
And remember, physics over everything.